Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I have some adhesive from Siraya. Let's scratch to this product. Before we get to the video, Siraya did send me this adhesive glue here, but everything I say in this video is going to be based on my experience of using this, and I can test this however I want. With that said, let's get into the video. Okay, let's open this and see the glue. Whoa. Wow, that is so much bigger than I thought. I thought that would just be like a small glue stick, like those ones that they use in school, but it's a lot bigger. So this is Siraya grip adhesive, and this bottle is 50 ml. I'll leave a link down below if you are interested in this. But let's just see this. Okay, that looks pretty interesting. So it looks like this foamy. So this is like foam. Can I take this out? So what I'm thinking right now is you're gonna be applying it like this and then just boom like that, right? This is just liquid if you can see, but it's liquid. You don't have to drip this onto the build plate and then use like a separate brush to do it. You can just do it all in here. I'm gonna try to see if I can open this. See that? There's a cut in the middle and there's a red tube in there. What you do is you just apply pressure with this. Apply some pressure, which puncture the plastic lid in there. And as you can see right there, the middle part is wet. That's the adhesive. Okay, the smell is pretty strong, so just don't smell this. Okay, it does not seem to be dripping. Okay, that is good. That is good. So from the look of this, it doesn't drip. It only applies when you have contact and put a little bit of pressure on it, which is nice. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use this to print some higher temperature filament just to see the grip of it. Using this without using this. But enough of that, I'm just going to go ahead and use this to see how good it is. And one more thing, I wish this would have been filled up all the way to the top. So from the look of this, I see that it's about that much, which is about a little bit over half, but not all the way there. Which is kind of downside a bit. You can kind of see it, but I think it's fine. So enough with this. Let's just go ahead and use it. So I gone ahead and clean up my Snapmaker build plate here. It's very clean. I use soap and water, and now it's very clean. So what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm gonna be using Siraya grip adhesive here, and then for the back part here, I'm not gonna use anything. So let's go ahead and shake this up and let's apply this. To get more adhesive, you push it down, squeeze the bottle a little bit so that adhesive comes out, and then you just pump and then swipe, pump and swipe. It's that easy. It is that easy. I think I overdid it a little bit and now it's way too much. So there we go. You can kind of see the adhesive there. So this half has the adhesive, the other half does not have any adhesive. Look at that, printed PC all the way with no problem. The bed has cooled down, and you'll see right there, it changes color from dark white to light white. That means that it started to lift because the bed has been cooling down. And now we can just take this off very easily, I think. There we go. It does leave some print in there, but that's just the adhesive. You can wash it off easily. And the reason for this to come off so easily was that I used PETG as support. You can see right there. You can see that the shade up there is kind of gray versus the white. So that's PETG support. It comes off clean. Amazing. Snapmaker U1 is freaking amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and try and take this off. So easy to take off. Oh my gosh. I've been using Siraya grip glue adhesive here for a couple of days now, and I can say that I am quite impressed with this product right here. This grip adhesive right here is compatible with PLA, PETG, ABS, PA, PPA, and PET. And I can definitely say that this is really for these type of filament. It even works with TPU. I printed this wheel here with TPU and PC. So the inner here is PC, the outer here is TPU. And TPU sticks pretty well onto this adhesive right here. And when it cools down, it just came out very easily. Same with this PC right here. PC, it is quite hard to print. It's prone to warping. So I use this grip on this PC part right here, and it printed really nicely. It extrudes to the build plate nicely and sticks onto this grip here. This stuff is really cool in my opinion, because not only this thing helps part sticks onto your build plate, it also acts like a protective coating. If you would think about it, it's like a clear coat to a car, but for this it's like to the build plate, because you put this on and it's liquid, so it builds like a layer on top of your build plate, and then this goes onto the adhesive, not quite onto your build plate where it's gonna stick to the build plate, but it sticks on top of the glue adhesive like this, and then your build plate is like at the bottom like this. So it sticks into the adhesive, and then once the adhesive cools down, it just come off very nicely. And one more thing about this, once the build plate cools down to 30°C or under, the adhesive is not there anymore, so you can take off the parts very easily. But once you heat up the build plate to over 40°C, then the adhesive here starts acting up, and then it's gonna hold down your print very nicely. So I feel like that's a really cool feature. And one more thing that I like about this is that, as you can see right there, this is like a foam pad up here, and this make it so easy for you to apply this glue adhesive here to the build plate or anything. Because it's this foam pad here, you just put it onto a build plate like this, push it down, and then you just start wiping like this, and then it's gonna come very nicely. It's not like all the product where it's just like a bottle of liquid and then you have to drip the liquid onto the build plate. Use like a paintbrush and then brush it all over your build plate. That's like way too much step to do. The way that Siraya Tech think of this foam pattern here, and you just swipe this onto your build plate, it's so convenient, and this cover all the areas in your build plate. It's just very easy to use. I really like it. If your print never sticks to your build plate, I recommend Siraya Tech grip adhesive glue here. It's very easy to use and it works like it should. That'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below and you can go grab it for yourself. And if you do, use the coupon code SCRATCH right here to get 5% off your purchase, which is really amazing. Subscribe to the channel because more amazing stuff like this is coming. If you haven't yet become a member of the YouTube channel, I upload weekly videos on how to 3D model on Fusion 360, put it to a slicer, and then print it out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.